Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare and haircare products, so today I will review about skincare products called Goji Berry Face Cream. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Goji Berry Face Cream contains hyaluronic acid, retinol and organic botanicals. It is paraben-free and fragrance-free, it an anti-aging hydration formula. The inspiration of the products is from the medlar, which has powerful ability in resisting oxidation and shows the new breakthrough of skin care, and contains Himalaya medlar with organic herbal essences which contain moisturizing and anti-oxidation ingredients, hot 500 times of moisturizing effect, flavor, vitamin A, resisting oxidation, and is capable of resisting wrinkles, moisturizing and firming skin with fast absorption due to its nong-reasy property. Goji Berry is the final solution to your face concern when it comes to wrinkles, rough face and smoothness. Goji Cream is a face cream that has comprehensive anti-aging properties. The secret of its efficiency lies in goji berries, which contain many beneficial substances and are a so-called superfood. It has been clinically proven that Goji Cream strikes the aging process of cells and regulates their work. A wide variety of vitamins and minerals, as well as biotin in its formula, form a heavy molecule that can penetrate the deepest layers of the skin for the maximum effect of Goji Cream. How to use Goji Berry Face Cream. Extend a proper amount on the face and neck, and then gently massage skin till absorbed. Better effect to use it in the morning and evening. Benefits of using Goji Berry Face Cream. 1. It helps to moisturize the face. 2. It capable of resisting wrinkles. 3. It firm the skin with fast absorption. 4. It helps to resist pimples. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.